Transform a small backyard into a cozy outdoor living space with a wooden deck, pergola, and string lights. Comfortable seating and lush potted plants surround a central fire pit, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere for relaxation. Turn a small backyard into a charming escape with a stone patio, featuring a bistro table and chairs. A vertical garden adds greenery, while raised beds filled with colorful flowers and soft outdoor lighting create a relaxing ambience for evening gatherings. Experience a sleek, modern backyard with a concrete patio, minimalist outdoor furniture, and a built-in barbecue station. A small water feature adds tranquility, while tall bamboo and decorative gravel provide a clean, contemporary touch to the space. Turn your small backyard into a tropical oasis with a wooden deck, comfortable lounge chairs, and a hammock. Surrounded by lush tropical plants like palm trees and ferns, a small water fountain adds soothing sounds and serenity to this relaxing retreat. Transform a small backyard into a rustic retreat with a gravel path leading to cozy wooden benches around a fire pit. Surrounded by wildflowers, a small herb garden, and a rustic wooden fence, this space exudes a natural, laid-back vibe perfect for relaxation. Transform your small urban backyard into a modern relaxation space with a sleek wooden deck, a sectional outdoor sofa, and a vertical garden wall. String lights overhead and a minimalist water feature add a touch of tranquility to this stylish retreat. Revamp your small backyard with a vibrant outdoor rug, comfy chairs, and a coffee table on a wooden deck. Surrounded by potted plants, hanging planters, and a variety of lanterns, this space exudes a bohemian, eclectic charm that invites relaxation and style. Create a cozy backyard with a charming brick patio, a small dining table, and chairs. Enjoy a built-in bench with storage and raised garden beds brimming with herbs and flowers. A large umbrella provides shade, while a small decorative fountain adds a soothing touch. Transform your small backyard into a serene Zen garden with a gravel path and a wooden deck. Add a Japanese-style bench, bamboo plants, and a stone water feature. Bonsai trees and carefully placed rocks complete the peaceful, meditative atmosphere. Elevate your small backyard with a modern touch featuring a concrete patio, stylish outdoor sofa, and a coffee table with a small fire pit. Potted succulents and a vertical herb garden add greenery, while sleek outdoor lighting creates a chic, minimalist ambience. Create a family-friendly backyard with a grassy play area, a wooden deck with a picnic table, and a small sandbox. Enhance the space with potted plants, colorful outdoor cushions, and string lights, all adding to a cheerful and inviting atmosphere. Transform your small backyard into a cozy retreat with a gravel patio featuring a fire pit surrounded by Adirondack chairs. Add a small wooden bench, potted plants, and a simple wooden fence for privacy, complemented by soft, ambient lighting for evening relaxation. Redefine your small backyard with a sleek wooden deck, a built-in storage bench, and a small outdoor dining table. Surround the space with tall, slim planters, a vertical garden, and minimalist lighting for a stylish, contemporary look. Enhance your small backyard with a charming stone patio, featuring a cozy outdoor sofa and coffee table. Surround the space with potted flowers, a small pergola draped in climbing vines, and lanterns for soft lighting. A decorative bird bath adds a delightful garden touch. Transform your small backyard with a wooden deck, a compact outdoor kitchen with a barbecue, and a dining table with chairs. Enhance the space with potted plants, a modern pergola with retractable shades, and string lights for a functional and stylish outdoor living area.